my channel. My name is Paris. I'm Paris the Connoisseur. If you're new, welcome. Anyways, before the video starts, like, comment, and subscribe. I guess I'm gonna do a few more haul videos, because you know what, I'm doing hair videos. I'm trying to give y'all some interesting content, but y'all not messing with it. Like, honestly, and on my Instagram I posted a little IGTV video of me doing a little install. People loved it, but y'all not watching it. And I don't know, I mean, I guess maybe because the first videos I put out were about, you know, fictitious items that, you know, look good. Just like some of y'all relationships. It's fake, but it look good. So, yeah. I guess I'm gonna have to give y'all some more of the content y'all want to see. And since the UGG video got to like what? I think it's about to be 7K in a moment. It's like 6K, 6.9K. Last time I checked. I'm gonna give y'all another UGG video with 2 types of UGGs. So, anyways, right now we're gonna do a quick little haul. I'm gonna make another video right after this, so showing some other little cheap stuff. But basically, I ordered these shoes. Came in this box. The box says Dior. Yes, it is beat up a little bit, but you know what? It's okay. It is a-okay. The box actually looks pretty, even though it is beat up, like the little.
Yeah, I was talking about the real Kyle sister. This is her and this is the shoes. Y'all should know who she is.
Y'all might not know, but I seen the shoe on like multiple people on Instagram, and they also got a Gucci shoe that looked just like it. But I had seen, what's her name? Kyle's sister. I'm just sorry. I don't know if her name is still I'm just sorry, but that's what I had remembered it as. She was wearing them, and I was like, oh, that's a cute shoe. So I was like, I want it. Let me go find it. So, well, I mean, she wasn't the first one I seen to wear it, but that's when I like zoomed in on the picture or whatever. So yeah, so it was like this. It says Christian Dior Paris. You know, you can tell that it's embroidered. The word isn't just, you know, plastered on there. And throughout the whole shoe, well, around the whole shoe, it says Dior. It's also a little bit of a wedge, as you can see, higher in the back than it is in the front. And in the inside, it says Christian Dior Paris. Yeah, Christian Dior Paris. And the bottom also says Christian Dior. It has a star. It says Christian Dior Paris. Then it says made in Italy right here, which confuses me a little bit. I don't know if it's supposed to say that, but it looked nice. And also, yeah, like the shoe honestly feels great. Can't really bend it or anything. The only complaint that I have is that the sizing was a little confusing. So basically, I'm sorry, I was trying to check something. Basically, when I ordered, it was like the sizing was like US 10 equals UK this, and European 41. And that's why on the bottom of the shoe it says 41. That's a little sticker right there. Right, so I was like, okay. So I was like, let me see what the 10.5 is, because I know I have wide feet. So I'm sorry. So I looked for a 10.5, and then it says 10.5 equals a UK disc and a European 41. So I'm like, why does the 41? Why does the 41 say for both 10 and 10.5? Do they just not sell 10.5s? So I was like, okay, maybe. I was trying to ask my mom and other people. I'm like, does this make sense? So if I get this, the shoes should still be bigger if they just don't, you know, right? And then I had ordered a 10.5, and it's not working for me. So I guess I'm gonna give this shoe away. Yeah, I'm gonna give these bad boys away. But anyways, back to like the shoes. Each shoe came in its own plastic bag. Came in a bag like this. Inside the box, this was the shoe, and then it came with this little paper. The paper says Dior. I'm trying to get close enough for you to see it. Yeah, it says Dior all around the little paper in the inside of the box, and then the inside of the box is just plain. My only complaint is basically with the male people. I mean, besides the shoe size being wrong, because you know it's not working for me. That the box is beat up. Like, it's a really pretty box. You can see, like, look at the bottom. That is so beautiful and everything. And then it's just, yeah, a big old dent. So that's my only complaint. Yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. I'll make another one real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed the shoes. They look nice. They're real cute. Hope you like them. Maybe that should be my thumbnail. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I forgot to say this too. If y'all got a problem with fake stuff, don't be in my comments, because you know what? I be trying to be real nice to y'all. I be like, oh, thanks for your opinion, da 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 da. But I'm really not for it. I'm not in the mood for it no more. Like, I be so sick of y'all, because sometimes y'all say something like, oh, it's fake, and then like I'll go back and click on it, and y'all done edited y'all comment, and y'all be like, oh, it's fake AF, da 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 da, and y'all be trying to get lit in my comments, and that's what we not finna do. Because I be clearly saying in the beginning of almost every video, except for this one, because I forgot to say it, I admit it. If you don't like fake stuff, get off the video, period. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna put the link down below if y'all want the shoes too. Yeah. Bye.
What I paid on Dhgate versus Dior.com. Also, the shoe is called the Dway Wedge slide.